In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge PowerPoint presentations. Merging presentations is really useful when you're combining work from different people, reusing slides from an older deck, or pulling together content for a bigger talk. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step, and you can follow along in your own PowerPoint window. First, open the main PowerPoint file that you want everything else to be merged into. This will be your primary presentation, the one that sets the overall design and flow. Make sure you're in normal view so you can see your slides clearly on the left side in the slide thumbnail pane. Next, decide exactly where you want the slides from the other presentation to appear. Click on the slide thumbnail that should come right before the new set of slides you're adding. If you want the merged slides to come at the very end, simply click on the last slide in the list. Now, go to the top menu and click on the Home tab if you're not already there. In the Slides group, look for the option called New Slide, and then click the little arrow next to it to open more options. From that menu, choose Reuse Slides. This will open a panel, usually on the right side of your screen. In the Reuse Slides panel, click on Browse, then choose Browse File. A file dialog will appear where you can navigate to the PowerPoint presentation you want to merge into your main one. Select that file, then click Open. After a moment, you'll see thumbnails of all the slides from that presentation appear in the Reuse Slides panel. Now you can start inserting. If you want to add just a few slides, click on each individual slide thumbnail in the panel, and it will be inserted right after the slide you selected earlier. If you want to bring in the entire presentation, right-click any thumbnail in the panel and choose Insert All Slides. By default, the slides you bring in will adopt the design and formatting of your main presentation. If you want to keep the original look and formatting from the source presentation, check the box at the bottom of the Reuse Slides panel that says Keep Source Formatting before you start inserting. Once everything is merged, scroll through your main presentation to review the order, check formatting, and make small adjustments like aligning titles or updating slide numbers if needed. When you're happy with the result, save your file so you don't lose any of your changes. And that's how you merge PowerPoint presentations in a simple, controlled way using the Reuse Slides feature.